array of pastels. I don't know why. Hello everyone, welcome back to the studio. I'm diving in for another quick session in between, coming in from work and then getting changed and going off to the gym. So what can I do today in my mixed media layering process? I have grabbed some pastels. Fancy going with some pastels. Don't want to start getting all messy. So this is a really good, effective layer if you don't want to get too messed up. So I think since last time I probably added this orangey colour, so I'm going to continue with that. I'm going to bring that out a little bit more, and well, I'm just going to grab an orange and play about like usual. So here's my orange pastel. Make a bit of space. Yeah, so I do believe this was the copper leaf, but I'm going to bring it back out again. It's kind of got a little bit lost with all the layering of whites and drips and, well, all the other things that I've been doing on this painting, these paintings. So a little bit of pastel today. I'm loving these quick sessions because it just makes me go in there with energy and, well, have a crazy little 10 minutes. And does it matter if I don't like what I do? No, I'll just throw in another layer after. Change colour. What I like about when we're going with pastels, it picks up the texture. For example, see if I can zoom in on that for you and see how that's picked up the texture underneath. Lots of texture building in these now that plenty of layers have gone into them. Blue. So again, using the pastel, I was going to say charcoal, pastel in different ways. You see me using it on the side to get this thick mark, and then of course you can use it as, well, like a pencil drawing. It's like, where do I want to go in? Like that. Quite like that. So what do you think so far? Is it bringing it back to life? It's amazing how just a few marks can change everything, the mood, the atmosphere. I don't want to lose the blueness because, well, I love blue. And if you remember, these paintings started off with just blue and yellow paints. And I've kind of stuck to that. I like this blue coming in. Of course, when you use pastels or charcoals, you do need to fix it after. And I have got some it's here, just right in front of me, looking in the cupboard, and it's out already. This is Conte à Paris fixative for charcoal and pastels. Let's give it a spray and see if it works. Very naughty. I'm not wearing a mask. I might have to switch the video off and just go and breathe fresh air. Oh, went and stuck my head out the window for a few minutes, and well, we'll see if it's fixed. Wow, seems pretty much stable. I can't really tell. It's still got pastel on from before, but anyway, I like it. I'm going to try a different one. This one looks to me as if I need to go back to my intention of getting some space in there. So I'm looking at my array of pastels. This has struck me, grabbed my eye, this lovely turquoisey colour. Oh, it's more of a greeny, I suppose, but I'm drawn to it, so I'm going to go with it. It's already this kind of colour here. Whoops, it's broken. I think I need some different types of marks, so let's do some let's grab some yellowy to try and calm this area down. Ah, that's making some really great texture. Lovely. I'll keep breaking them. Oh, let's grab the orange again. See how vibrant it is. Let's have a spin. I love how vibrant that's gone. this pale green. Ooh, some collage paper here, so that's going to make some texture. Can you hear it? I've got some white here. Let's see if we can calm things down with that. Nice texture again. Of course, I don't want to lose everything that I've done already, so I have to be careful with these mad sessions. I like that. Let's try it on the third one. I don't know why, but this is calling to me. This kind of pinky colour. And well, let's have a go. I'm drawn to this. Broke again. I did quite like that orange though, but I don't have to lose it. I like this sidey effects because I'm picking up the textures. I don't want to lose that though. So I'll go back in with this greeny blue. And even though I'm going over this orange, you can still see it underneath, and maybe if I rub it in with my fingers, I'm not going to start sealing it. I might have to take them outside to seal them because earlier on it was quite stinky. I got another, oh yeah, I've got this blue light. I'm kind of starting to think of composition, but a little bit. Let's give that a spin. I like that. Maybe push it even more. No, this pale yellow. And of course with pastel, if you don't like it, you can just squirt on some water and, well, it just disappears. Look at that now, some lovely drips coming. So in these quick sessions, I always get some sort of surprise when I just go for it and have like a little crazy 5-10 minutes. I always make some discovery, and well, I haven't got too dirty, so that's one good thing. I think I'll leave it there because I'm going out again. So I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope it encourages you to just grab those spare minutes you may have to create and have a go. You feel that pull to reconnect to your art again. Life's been full, but the creative part of you never left. Maybe you picked up a paintbrush and started painting again, but it doesn't quite feel like you yet. You want your work to feel deeper, more honest, more like it carries your story. You shouldn't have to second guess every mark you make, and you shouldn't have to figure this out all alone. I'm Irene, an English mixed media artist, teacher, artistic guide, living and working in the south of France. I went to art school many moons ago, and then life took me in different directions. When I returned to painting and creating, I discovered something really important. Meaningful art doesn't come from trying harder, it comes from trusting yourself. That's why I created the course Connecting Through Mixed Media Layers of Meaning. And now I guide artists just like you back to that trust. So you don't have to stay stuck in hesitation, you won't keep doubting your intuition, and your art can finally feel like your very own. So if you feel that quiet pull to create art that feels truly like you, then join the waitlist below for more information. I'd love to see you over there. I will see you next time. Bye for now. Au revoir.